Okay, we will take both the corners. We'll make it a rectangle and another square. Then we will turn it as diamond. Okay. Next we are going to make a step as a dot band. Decorate it over here. Very huge, only a little bit huge. If tiny, not mask ready. Bye bye and subscribe my channel. The rubber band should be behind the ear. You can fold it. If you do not, you can open it, or else you can put it down later. Bye and subscribe my channel. I have shown you how to wear it. The rubber band should be like this. Bye.